How trains stay on track, the engineering explained. Though they are not a primary route for travelers, trains are essential in the 200 or so years they are existed. They are been used to handle a variety of tasks and have become vital all over the globe. They are quick, safe, and dependable, as evidenced by some of the oldest locomotives are still in service today. Naturally, trains have transformed since the first model hit tracks back in the 1800s. Countless engineers have come along to improve upon them, resulting in major innovations like the fastest passenger trains around the world. Still, despite their prevalence, the science behind trains is not something most people understand. It can be hard to fathom how they manage to stay on a track. They are massive, heavy, and move at a remarkable speed. So, what keeps them from going off the rails? The answer lies predominantly in the shape of their wheels. They are slightly conical in shape, with the inside of the wheel having a larger circumference than the outside. The inside also has a raised edge on the inner side to keep the train attached to the track. When a train turns, centrifugal force pushes the outside wheel to the larger portion of the cone, while pushing the inside wheel to the smaller part. This keeps the train from derailing when turning. While this wheel engineering is impressive, it's not foolproof due to a variety of factors. Sending a train off track can and occasionally does happen. Well-engineered wheels cannot prevent train derailment alone. The train wheels we know today have been around for decades upon decades. In that time, they have gone a long way in allowing people and products to cross vast distances safely by rail without flying off the track. And in the case of some trains from around the world luxury. However, that's not to say that this wheel and rail system is perfect. Sadly, there are several instances in which the system can fail, resulting in trains drilling in short order. While some of these factors are somewhat avoidable so long as they are a capable conductor at the helm, others are significantly harder to do anything about. First and foremost is an issue with the track itself, which can go entirely unnoticed until it's too late. Everything from continuous stress on re-welded rails to freezing weather caused rail damage can disrupt the sign chronicity between the wheels and the rail, leading the wheel to lose its grip. The wheels themselves can also grow trapped and become defective over time, presenting a major hazard. There also the matter of human error to consider, as a dependable wheel system can only do so much about improper braking or excessive speed before it fails to hold on. It may sound like a train and rail meant is a common issue, but it does not occur nearly as frequently as one might think, bearing some of the ways it can happen in mind.